Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting in Microsoft Teams, open the app and sign in. Once done, click your profile photo and choose settings so you can verify your camera under devices. Make sure your camera shows a clear image. This helps background replacement work reliably. Next, go to Background Effects or Background Filters. This is the control area where you'll pick or add an image. I'll show you why checking camera and lighting first saves time and prevents common blur or cropping errors. Now choose or upload your background. Click a built-in option to test quickly, or select Add New to upload a PNG or JPG file. Use a 16:9 ratio image for best results and avoid cluttered patterns that compete with your face. Once selected, preview with your video enabled so you can check how edges and movement render. If the background cuts off, make small camera framing adjustments and tweak lighting. These steps reduce artifacts and keep you looking professional on calls. Apply the background and close the panel. Teams will remember it for future meetings until you change it. If you're on the web version, make sure camera permissions are enabled in your browser and reload the tab after granting them. Troubleshooting. If the effect looks glitchy, update Teams and restart the app, or switch temporarily to a solid color image to isolate the problem. Finally, if issues persist, try a different file type or lower image resolution to.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.